The Land Rover Defender, a legend, an icon, and loved by millions. The owner of this stunning example wanted to maintain that traditional Defender look and feel, but bring it into the modern age with some hand-picked upgrades. Our team installed our own soundproofing materials for a vast improvement in noise, vibration and harshness. We added a modern stereo system for entertainment on the move. And of course, we want to keep this stunning example on the road for many years to come. So we thoroughly prepared the underside of this vehicle and protected it with WaxOyl too. And the pièce de résistance, a VIEZU REMAP, for a significant boost in power, torque and performance. Get in touch with the team to take your driving experience to a new level. Call us today on 01789 774444 or email info@viezu.com.